Welcome coders. Now let's discuss why let and const over bar. Okay, so several times we have discussed about bar, let and const, but we need to know why we should use let and const over bar. So we have 5 regions over here. So block scope, but just function scope. Bar is a function scope, meaning it's accessible throughout the entire function, even outside the block in which it was defined. Okay, so it is a function scope. It is accessible throughout the entire function, so even outside of the block in which it was defined. So let and const are block scoped, meaning they are only accessible within the block where they are defined. Okay, so I will give example for every portion. Okay, wasting behavior. Bar is wasted at the top of the scope and initialized and undefined, when which can lead to unexpected bugs. Okay, so it is wasted and initialized with undefined, which can lead to unexpected bugs. So it can change the definition of variables. Okay, let and const are wasted but not initialized, meaning they remain in the temporal dead zone. Okay, until the code executes their declaration. So they remain in the temporal dead zone. Reassignment and mutability. Bar and let can be reassigned. So you can reassign. Const cannot be reassigned. The object array declared with const still be muted. You can mute it but reassign. Okay, I have shown you in the previous video. Reassignment and mutability. Bar and let can be reassigned. Const can be reassigned through object array declared with the const can still be mutated. Avoiding unintended global variables. Using bar outside the function implicitly create a global variable which can lead to accidental override. So this is very dangerous. So in the previous video, I have shown you how variable declaration is changing, assignment is changing. So that can lead to accidental override. Let and const do not create global properties which declare outside a function. Bar allows redeclaration leading to bugs. Okay, bar allows redeclaration within the same scope, which can lead to unintentional variable overrides. Let and const do not allow redeclaration. So const is very safe. Okay, so bar is dangerous. It creates several problems. So always prefer try to using const. So use const by default unless you need to reassign a variable. So if const does not cover, use let. I have a video in the initial chapters where you should use let, where you should use bar, where you should use const. So you can watch the video. Use let if you need to reassign the value. Avoid bar because the function is scoping, wasting issues, and potential global variable leaks. Okay, so right now I'm giving some examples. So first of all, block scope bar just functional scope. Okay, now let's see. Even functions that test. Okay, if true, then bar x equal to 10, let y equal to 20, const z equal to 30. Okay, so I have declared 3 variables, bar, let, and const. So now invoke the test and try to console log x, y, and g. So start the Coca.js. So you see y is not defined and j is not showing anything, but it will give you the reference error. So if we go to the reference error. So reference error is not showing in the VS Code, but why? So X bar is giving you the expected result, but Y and G are not showing. So Y is not defined and it has the reference error also. So we are not getting two output but one. So what is happening here? This is the block scope and function scope. Okay. So bar is a function scope mentioned. It is accessible throughout the entire function. So what I have shown you in the explanation, bar is a function scope, meaning it is accessible throughout the entire function, even outside the block in which it was defined. Let and const are block scope, meaning they are only accessible within the block where they are defined. Okay. So our example is done. Let's go for hoisting issue. Okay, and hoisting, say hoisting. Okay, console dot log. We are initially console logging a. Later we are declaring. So bar a equal to say 10. Undefined, but it's not giving any error. Okay, no error, no error. So it is hoisted. So it is hoisted. I mean, it is taken to the top and assigned undefined. Okay, this happened. So let's discuss about let console dot log b. Let b equal to say 20. It's directly showing error, but bar is not showing error because it has been hoisted. Okay, you see the hoisting issue. So bar is not showing, bar is showing undefined, but this is not the error. Code is running, but it says that assign the variable value, but const is directly showing an error. So this is hoisting. Okay, so we have discussed the second hoisting behavior. Bar is hoisted at the top of the scope and initialized as undefined, which can lead to unexpected bugs. Let and const are hoisted but not initialized, meaning they remain in the temporal dead zone, okay, until the code executes their declaration. So reassignment and mutability. So let's give another example. Reassignment. Say bar a equal to 5, a equal to 10. We are reassigning the variable. So they are allowing. Okay. So let b equal to 15. So b equal to say 20. So they are also allowing. Let is also allowing, bar is also allowing. So let's const c equal to say 25. Okay, say try to reassign c equal to 30. So it's showing error. So they are allowing to reassign, but const is not allowing. So this is very safe. It will not produce any unexpected or unprecedented behavior. Okay, that it is saying bar and let can be reassigned, const cannot be reassigned. Though objects are declared with const still be mutated. Okay, then avoiding unintended global variables. Okay, now global variables. Say x bar x equal to 10. So if you console log x, you will get 10. But if you window dot x, you will also get x. Okay, so window get, or try to change, say y equal to 10, y equal to 10, y, so window dot y, so you are still getting that. So it is attaching with the window variables that it is saying, avoiding unintended global variables. Using bar outside a function implicitly creates a global variable which can lead to accidental overrides. So it's overwriting. Let and const do not create global properties when declared outside the function. Okay, bar allows free declaration leading to bugs. Okay, we have discussed already. So we have shown you the global scope. Bar allows redeclaration leading to bugs. I have shown you already, so you cannot reassign. So these are the basically these are the problems. So that's why you should not use bar. Try to use const preferable. If const is not possible, use let. So I have a dedicated video for bar, let, and const in the initial stage. Follow the playlist, JavaScript playlist, then you will see. So this is bar, const, and let and JavaScript tutorial. I think this is the best tutorial. I have gone through a lot of tutorials, but no one is showing like that way. So I hope you will like the video, the JavaScript tutorial series. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe, and stay connected. So I have shown you already. So this needs to be clear, and you will learn the reference error. Okay, if you declare a variable and as it is wasting behavior, you will get a reference error also. So thank you very much. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe, and stay connected. See you soon.